Welcome to the heart of Baltimore County golf. Nestled in Windsor Mill, this isn't just a clubhouse, it's the gateway to 36 holes of championship-caliber golf. Whether you're here to tackle the links-style challenge of Diamond Ridge or the scenic tree-lined journey of the Woodlands, your experience starts right here at the front door. Step inside to a full-service experience. Our golf shop is curated for the modern golfer, featuring the latest equipment, premium apparel, and everything you need to sharpen your game. Check-in is seamless, and if you're a Baltimore County Advantage card holder, this is where your rewards begin. From custom club orders to expert advice from our PGA professionals, we ensure you're fully equipped before you ever hit the first tee. The clubhouse serves as a bridge between two distinct worlds. Designed to handle everything from a casual weekend twosome to large-scale double shotgun tournaments, the layout is open, intuitive, and built for community. It's the central hub where the heritage of Diamond Ridge meets the modern elegance of the Woodlands. Beyond the daily round, we provide a premier destination for events. Our expansive conference and outing space is ideal for post-tournament festivities, corporate retreats, or award ceremonies. With scenic views of our all-weather pavilion and state-of-the-art practice facility, including our 45-station driving range, this is where your group comes together to celebrate the game. No round is complete without the right fuel. Our full-service food and beverage operation offers a diverse menu, ranging from quick-turn, shack-style favorites to relaxed sit-down meals. Grab a bite to go or settle in with a cold drink to recount the day's best shots. It's the perfect finish to a day on the greens. Diamond Ridge and the Woodlands. 2 courses, 1 exceptional clubhouse. Book your next round at baltimoregolfing.com. Have a great day.